Alright, welcome back to our portal step-by-step video tutorials on how you can self-manage your school portal. In this short video, we'll be talking about the academic settings, which has to do with ensuring that all your school levels are all intact, and of course the classes are all intact too. Then the next one is ensure that all the subjects per each class are already added. Now to do that, just go straight to the side menu. So under the side menu, you locate where we have manage level. So you click on the manage level. Then now I won't click on the manage level. It will take you to the list of the level we have. Here we have about 5 levels, right? So here we have primary level, junior level, nursery level, senior level, and then junior secondary 1A. So this might not conform with what you are using in your school, so you can easily edit that by click on these 3 dots. Then you click on edit. So let's say for instance in my school what I'm using is a basic instead of primary level, so I'm using basic level. So I'll just click that, edit, then save. So the changes has been saved. So and that is let me refresh and see if that changes has been affected or not. Yeah, so we have primary level before, and then now we have it as what, as basic level. So just to confirm with what you are using in your school, if these are not okay with you, you can go ahead and change all of them, but be sure that they are in serial order. Like for instance, now this year we have primary, so we have nursery. The first one here can be nursery, then basic, junior, senior, and any other level that you have. You understand? So you can go ahead and change this one to nursery, this one to basic, this one to junior, and then this one already senior, then this one to any other thing. So that's how you change the level and be sure that they are okay with what you are using in your school. So having done that, you go to the class just to be sure that the classics are all intact too. So you scroll down and then you see where we have manage class. So click on the manage class, then you have it drop down where we have add class and then manage class. To add class, if you click on add class, that means you want to add a new class, and if you click on manage class, then you want to check the list of pre-existing classes that will have as a default. Right? So if these classes are confirmed with what you are using in your school, then there's no problem, you can leave them. But if they are not okay with you, or they are not confirmed with the list of the the class you are using in your school, you can also go ahead and make changes to them, just like we did for the level. So you click on these 3 dots, then you click on edit, then this one is the primary one, right? And of course to which level, which is basic. Right? So this is how you make changes to the previous one. But to avoid any error, I will advise that you can delete all this one, and then you add your own, so that you won't have duplicate classes, right? So you can edit if you like, and you can also delete, and then you add your new classics. And if you want to add class, you click on add class here, or you click on add classes. So either of the two, it will still take you to where to add your new class. So let's say for instance I want to add a class. Let me say summer class. So then I will now select the levels. Let me say under nursery level, then I will add. So that is, the class is already added. So if I go back to manage class to check the class I just added, I can still search for the class I had summer. Can you see? This is the one I just added. So that is how you add class, and of course to search for the particular class you just added. So, and you can also use this to search for all the classes you have to be sure that you don't have a duplicate class. Enter. The next one there is you go to the subject. So you click on the manage subject. Now to add subject also, then you click on add subject, and to manage the pre-existing subject on the platform, then you click on manage subject. These are the default subject already added, and of course you can also delete, and of course you can edit them. And it is also advisable too that you probably delete them and then you add your new classes, because the more you make changes to the levels, and of course that will affect the class, and of course the subject where those are tally with, right? So if you have made changes to your level, then possibly you still also need to make changes to the subject in that particular class of the level that you've changed, right? So that is how to be sure that your classics, your levels, and of course your subject are all intact. So the only issue here is that you can decide to add your class anytime, your subjects anytime. So it doesn't require any order of adding your subject. You can add them before you register your student, and of course you can add your subject after you register your student. But be sure that you don't have a duplicate subject, and you must register all the subjects for each class. All right, so you must register all the subjects for each class separately. All right, so and then having done that, then you are sure that you can start registering your students. So in our next video, we'll be talking about how you can register your student on the platform, either using Excel or adding it manually as an admin from this admin dashboard. Watch out.